This marshmallow cream meringue frosting is an easy to make 4-ingredient frosting that's creamy, smooth, and can be used to frost cupcakes, cakes, and fill cookies. Hi, I'm Nick, and on this episode of the Scran line, I'm going to be showing you how to make this really easy frosting option. It's great for things like s'mores, desserts, and if you're looking for a nice kind of fluffy, smooth frosting, even something that you can just whip up and top your pies with, this is a really great option. Begin by bringing an inch of water to a boil in a pot. Place a heat-proof bowl on top and then add the egg whites, cream of tartar and sugar into the bowl. Now, cream of tartar is an acidic powder which is going to help stabilise our meringue and help it get those nice stiff peaks that we're after. Today I'm going to be using a stand mixer to whisk my frosting. You can use a hand mixer, but because I'm going to be using Peggy in my stand mixer, I'm just going to use the whisk attachment that I'll be using later on to whip this up. So we're going to whisk these ingredients for a couple minutes until the sugar dissolves, about 3 minutes all up. If you can feel the mixture between your fingers and there are no sugar grains, it's done. Alternatively, if you're a little bit less confident than I am and you want to just make sure that this is actually cooked, you can use a candy thermometer to check that it's reached 71 degrees Celsius or 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Once you've done that, transfer the mixture to the bowl of your stand mixer, fit it with a whisk attachment, whisk on high speed for 5 minutes until the mixture is a thick and glossy frosting. This frosting needs to be used not long after you've made it, so whip it up. I would probably frost your cupcakes or whatever you're going to use it for straight away and serve it not too long after. This isn't a convenient frosting recipe. It's not something you can make ahead of time like a buttercream. It's something you want to make and then serve so it's nice and fresh. Something that is great about this frosting though is that you can use a kitchen torch to toast the frosting if you're using it for something like s'mores desserts, or it can even be used in my s'mores cookie bars recipe, which is coming up and is currently on my website. So grab the recipe for this and the s'mores cookie bars on thescranline.com. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day. I've got loads of information about this frosting recipe on the website, so go and check it out. All your questions will be answered there. If it's not, leave them in the comments and I'll answer them. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scran Line. Bye.